Page 95, number 37. Determine whether the function is bounded above, bounded below, or bounded on its domain. And the function we have is y equals 2 to the x. So the picture of that function looks like this. It's an exponential growth equation. So sketching it here, it's going to look like that. Okay, now let's talk about bounding a little bit. Bounded means that it's like locked into a box or something. If it's bounded on its domain, it means there is a maximum and minimum value for y that is available for that function. And it can't pass either of those values. That's bounded on its domain. So you pick any value in the domain, any x value, and there is a restriction on the smallest y you can pick and the largest y. Now, you can break that up. It could just be bounded above, which means for any x value, there is a largest y value that can be used, and you cannot go past that y value. So bounded below is just the opposite. There is a minimum y value for any x, and there aren't any other y values below that one. So when you look at an exponential growth equation, what you can see is no matter what, there's never any negative numbers, and you cannot even attain 0. So because of that, it's got a bottom to it. It's all positive numbers, except we cannot go to 0 or below it, but we can get bigger and bigger. So with that, we can see that this function is bounded below, but not above, because this function can continue to grow with every positive x value that you choose. So because of that, it's only bounded below and not bounded on